world is at an intersection of a technology and an industrial revolution. Make factories think and speak. Make factories smarter. Our intelligent manufacturing solutions are changing the way we work. Incorporated in 1993, Estun Automation has been energizing development and innovation with our own core processes and technologies, including the manufacturing of core components for high-end products. Now Estun is venturing into the newly emerging industry of industrial robots and intelligent manufacturing systems. The Made in China 2025 and the Internet Plus initiatives are driving our automated factory solutions forward to support China's industrial transformation. Exploring R&D partnerships with technology companies, such as Trio Motion in the UK, Barrett in the USA, MAI in Germany, Euclid in Italy. Estun has increased its global marketplace and innovative capabilities. Estun is now a leader in motion control and robotics and has transformed into an automation solution provider with a competitive advantage that is reflected throughout the entire industry chain. Now, with the addition of Trio's motion control products, Estun is focusing on factory automation. Our business model has evolved from single shaft, single machine solutions to workstation automated solutions, industrial robots, and intelligent systems engineering. Motivated by the All Made by Estun product strategy, the company has achieved inevitable industry competitiveness. For Estun, Made in China is becoming made in the world. As a supplier and service provider of motion control systems, robotics, and intelligent manufacturing systems, Estun provides standardized, high-quality services for customers worldwide. The company has 7 overseas branches based in the United Kingdom, United States, Italy, and India. And our products are sold to 60 countries and regions around the world. We are achieving a global presence that promotes China as a great manufacturer. We continue to focus and expand intelligent manufacturing solutions, industrial robotic solutions, and offering unrivaled support that benefits our customers.